Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell, that way you're always notified so that you never miss another hair tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this hairstyle right here. This was inspired by Sonam Kapoor in the movie Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Now I had that song stuck in my head, and then, no, I had the song Jalte Diye stuck in my head, and then when I went to go watch it on YouTube, I saw her hairstyle and I was like, why haven't I done this on my channel? It's so easy. So I wanted to do that today, and these are the results. This is what it looks like. I'm really happy with the way that it came out. It was super easy, and I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing. So if you are interested, then go ahead and keep watching. The first thing you want to do is put something on your hair to protect it from heat. What I'm going to be using, what I really love to use, is by OK Naturals, and this is their leave-in conditioner, and this is in honey. They have a lot. They have them in argan oil, they have them in almond oil, there's mango, there's like a bunch of them, and right now I'm like really into the honey one, and basically it's just a leave-in conditioner with honey in it, and smells really, really good. And I like to use this to protect my hair from the heat, and also just to tame any of the frizz. I love this stuff, you guys. It's so affordable. It's like $7 a bottle, and if you guys are interested, I will leave it in the links down below. This video is not sponsored by them, but I wouldn't mind being sponsored. I'm kind of just gonna put it from here down because that's where most of the damage happens, is like from here down. Basically here I'm not too worried because the oils of the hair just automatically protect everything. So okay, Sonam Kapoor's hair in this song is really cute and really like girly and feminine, very princessy, and I wanted to recreate that tonight because I am going out and I just wanted to look really fun and girly and feminine. So basically what you're gonna do is part your hair down the middle, because her hair is parted down the middle. I'm only gonna do it halfway. I'm not gonna part it like all the way back there. And then just bring the hairs to the front. Now if you guys are interested in how I cut my hair, my layers have grown out, so I do need to cut it again, but I do have a video on my channel on how I cut my own layers. Now what I'm going to be using is the Revlon 1.5 inch curler. Now this is super old, but a lot of people are always asking what kind of curlers I use. I just use the clamped ones, and this is super old. Might need to get a new one soon. And I put it all the way up high. This is not the best way to curl your hair, not the healthiest way to curl your hair, but I've been doing this for years, and this is just how I curl my hair, and I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. I do it in the highest setting. And then basically, I'm going to show you guys what I do. I will take a chunk of hair. Her hair was very loosely curled, like very loose waves, and it kept the length. So that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do. Basically, you're going to clamp the hair and just roll that, and then you're gonna keep it there until, I like to touch it and like see if, as soon as the hair gets hot, then I release it, because I don't want the curls to be super tight. This is perfect. Like, you see how it's loose and like not super curled but wavy? That's what we're going for. And then I'm just gonna throw that behind me so that it will cool down. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of my hair. I just kind of pick up chunks of my hair and then I will just start curling it. If you want to add more body and more texture, curl some one way and then curl the rest another way, so that adds more body and more texture in your hair. But for now, I think I'm going to do a majority of the curls away from my face, maybe a few here and there, curl it towards my face just to add a little bit more body. But I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit so that you guys don't have to like watch me curl every single strand, but at the same time you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So this one I left it a little bit longer, and you guys can see it's a little bit more tighter. But don't worry, because even if you do it a little bit tighter, it is going to loosen up as it dries. And this is why I like to use a leave-in conditioner, because as you can see, it looks really neat and nice and put together and not frizzy. And believe it or not, I feel like the leave-in conditioner keeps the curls together as well as hairspray. I never use hairspray. I just use leave-in conditioners. But anyways, I'm gonna speed this up and you guys can see what I'm doing. I'll put some music on for you guys, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so when you're done curling all of your hair, it should look something like this. Now, it's going to look a little bit different depending on how long your hair is or what kind of layers you have cut into your hair. So Sonam Kapoor's layers were very long. I do have somewhat shorter layers in my hair, so it doesn't look completely like hers, but it's still, the curls are very similar to hers, where they're very loose and big and wavy. And then I'm not going to brush these curls out. I'm just going to leave them like this. Now, another thing that you're going to need is bobby pins. Now, I only have 2. You can use however many you need. However many you need for your hair to like stay in this position. So what she does is she has, you're gonna take like a chunk of hair and then you're going to twist it, and we're just gonna pin it right there. So I'm only gonna use 1 bobby pin, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I do next. I stick it from under and then I'll like tuck it in just to make it a little bit more secure. And then what I'll do is put hair over that. And then you kind of pull at it however you want to. And then next we're going to do the same thing on the other side, is you're going to take a chunk of hair. Now you can make these twists like as short or as big or as tight as you want to, depending on your preference. And then what I'm going to do is put it just a little bit. I'm going to put it over a little bit of hair, and then I'm going to take some hair from the back and put it over the bobby pin. So I'm going to take my bobby pin, put it from underneath, and then go ahead and just tuck that in. I don't know how to explain what I just did, but I hope you guys can see it. And then I'm just gonna take some hair and put it right over the bobby pin. And now I'm just gonna kind of do this a little bit. And basically that's it. That's all you need to do, and your Sonam Kapoor inspired hair is all done. I feel like this is really, really cute, and it's just, the hair's out of your face, and it's just, it looks really pretty and put together and elegant, classy. I just really love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!